Okay, lots of lightning over the Santa Barbara area this morning. Heavy rain too. Look at this, right over Carpinteria, a really strong cell. So we'll have light to moderate rain throughout the day with a thunderstorm threat as the day goes on. That's why we have a flash flood watch for the Woolsey Fire burn scar. Winter weather advisories too. Rain today, a break tomorrow, and then more rain, heavy at times into Saturday. That heavy rain will turn to showers into your Super Bowl Sunday and into Monday too. You're going to need those umbrellas all the way until Tuesday morning. Snow level is going to be dropping down to 4,000 to 5,000 feet by the end of the weekend and the start of the work week.